Hi guys, welcome to Quarantine Hair Salon. Today, I'm cutting my dad's hair. This is like our haircut salon. Christian's haircut salon. Okay? Mommy, pretend you're acting.
I'm acting?
Yeah, pretend you're acting. On the barber. I'm way good at cutting hair. Hi everyone, I'm Christian the hair barber. And I'm cutting that hair.
You're doing good, sir.
Then you're acting and seeing how that's going.
That?
Yep.
Like a surprise?
No, acting like you're a customer to see how that's going.
Oh, I should have one. Wow, that looks like that.
So cool.
Yeah, good. Oh, and then this side now.
To get over there.
Yeah, you have to step on it.
Daddy was here when he's now 43.
How old is your daddy? Wow.
Welcome.
That's... Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, there you go, sir. You did a good job.
Wow, thank you very much.
Now, Dad, now it's Mommy's turn to finish cutting Dad's hair. That haircut is finished. What do you think? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Ayo ayo.